Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Zanzi. Batanabum Kose, Gokos Koteni recently shared that her princess Liana underwent an eye surgery. If you all know, Batanabum Kose, Liana have a lazy eye, and then recently her parents decided to take her for an eye surgery, which was trying to rectify or to fix the eye issue. And of course the baby girl was so excited, but go see, and we definitely cannot wait to see the final product of it once the eye has fully healed. This is amazing, Kosiami. The laughter, the smile, and the giggles that baby Liana was giving to her parents, it is quite amazing indeed. But Gogos Koteni is currently urging parents because if you have the money to do it and to fix something that your child does not like, or something that it is fixable, please parent, go ahead and fix it. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.